Raindrops falling like tears from above. A melancholy melody that echoes my heart's pain. Lost in the city, I wander alone, trying to find my way, but the rain makes it hard to see. Every step I take feels like a mistake, but I keep on walking through the race of the streets. Paraded with my secrets of a love that's lost, a memory that haunts me like a ghost in my thoughts. They linger on my mind, a bittersweet reminder of what we left behind. I thought our love would weather any storm, but now I'm left standing in this rain all alone. The radio is beside me, of a love that's lost, the memory that haunts me like a ghost in my thoughts. Raindrops falling like tears from above, a melancholy melody that echoes my heart.